speed arrive. Voilà. Okay, rotation.
Good, good. Right, so you will do full power live engine, idle dead engine. Confirm which engine has died. Right engine is the dead one.
Okay.
So right engine master off. Good, good. Alright.
Here and
That's right. Well done, Nicola. That's
Okay.
good. And you should have 82 knots.
82.
Yeah.
It's not easy to hold the speed when the plane is going.
Well, I know. Of course it's not.
Okay.
Right, now, you've actually turned the right ECU to B, you haven't turned the alternator off, but it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay? Now, it's hard, isn't it? Look, you're not getting much of a rate of climb, 200, 300 feet a minute.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Power levers to idle, please, and gear down. Hold the brake. Good. And I'll start your engine again.
But I have full rudder on the left.
Yeah.
It's normal? If the plane even with full rudder, I can hold the ball.
Yeah, above safety speed you should.
It's weird, I was maybe not maximum. Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.